Hi guys, welcome to my video. This is a top floor flat on a modern block, unheated corridor, and it's got gas central heating. So we've got to measure the wall thickness to the corridor because that will be an alternate wall. Draft proofing as well. And there's the corridor without any heating. So heating controls will be a room thermostat, which is there. We've got radiators, thermostatic radiator valve, portable electric heating. Double glazing, wooden frames, unknown date. Ensuite has a mixer shower. The main bathroom has just a bath, no electric shower or mixer. Overview of the lounge, kitchen, diner, low energy bulbs. Here's the boiler. There's the programmer down in the corner. Let's have a look at the make and model of this boiler. So it's a Worcester Green Star 15i ERP system. Not to be confused with triple glazing. That's just secondary glazing on double, so it counts as double. There's a hot water cylinder. That's a normal sized tank with 50 ml of spray foam. And just above is the single rate electric meter. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And here are the audit photos.